In this session, we'll see how to fix TNS03505 failed to resolve name, and we also work on different issues on this while we try to fix this. So we'll give a workaround to fix, and as well we'll find different issues to fix it. Let's see how when we receive this error and how to fix it first. We're on the server, and using TNS ping we can try to ping whether we are able to ping or not the net service name using net service name as a prod. So this is a utility TNS ping where we can verify we're able to ping your listener. So we have received TNS03505 failed to resolve name. So now what would be the reason behind failed to resolve name issue? Verify whether listener up and running. So we don't have a listener. Let's start the listener. Once started the listener, verify once again TNS ping and ensure that we are able to ping the net service name. So it's not with the issue listener started, but still we started the listener. Ensure that there is a TNS name file under Oracle Home, Network Admin. And also ensure that there is an instance up and running, or we are able to start. There is no instance up and running using PSFNE pipegraph pmon. Let's try to start even listener. So we have two more errors here. Aura 00119 invalid specification for system parameter local listener, and the other error Aura 00132 syntax error, which is an unresolved network name listener prod. So these are two more errors. Even we are unable to start your instance. So these errors while we start. Let's make a note the two errors, Aura 00119 and Aura 00132. So let's check whether we have a TNS names file. There is no file. So this is one reason. Even we'll fix it this. I have a backup file, TNS names, old file. I'm going to copy into this tnsnames.org. And let's see what is there in the content of this TNS names file. We have the net service name configured with the service name prod. Now let's try TNS ping. Still we have the error TNS03505. Even we have started the listener, even the TNS names file still exists, we are receiving the same error. Means one of the workaround we have done with configuring the TNS names file from the backup, either new file, and ensure that net service name configured with the service name with the appropriate host name and port number in the tnsnames.org file, and ensure that listener is up and running. So these are two workarounds done. Still we are receiving one more error. Still we are receiving the error. So we'll check with the SQLnet .ora file. So we can see two lines here, names.directory path is connect. So we are missing here TNS names. So we have to ensure that we have a TNS names parameter here, the directory path, including EaseConnect, in case you are using EaseConnect as well. If you are using TNS names, we need to add the TNS names path here. So we added, saved it and try to ping the prod. Yes, we are able to ping. Now we are able to ping after adding a TNS names. Now let's try to start the instance. So we have started the listener, we have ensured the TNS names file, and we are trying to start the instance now. Instance gets started, mounted, it's got open now. Now let's try TNS ping with the net service name. We're able to ping. Okay. Now let's try to connect using SQL Plus with the net service name. It's got connected. So we'll show you one more error with SQL Plus trying to connect with your net service name. (12154) TNS could not resolve the connect identifier specified. We are able to ping, failed to resolve it. Again, one more issue. So there is a one more parameter, we have to ensure that we have to fix this one more with one more workaround. In case we are receiving further, even the listener is up, your instance is able to start either, and TNS names file is being configured well. Even TNS names parameter being added in the SQL startnet.aura file. So to fix this issue, open the SQLnet.aura. You can see a second line here, names.default domain equal to Unira Global. Just comment it. You can see a comment here. So this comment will comment this line. We can ignore this line and try to connect again. Even you can try to ping. It's okay. Now we try to connect. It's got connected. So we have fixed all these errors. Even one more error we have received here is Aura 12154. So we have fixed TNS 03505 failed to resolve name, Aura 00119, Aura 00132 while we start the instance, and Aura 12154. So the workaround done for all these fixes are ensure that we have TNS names.aura file with proper net service name and service name. Ensure listener is up and running, and in the skillnet.aura file the TNS names parameter to be added, and we can comment the line which we have for domain name. So these are all the workarounds we have used to fix the issues while we are trying to connect, while we are trying to ping using net service name, while we are trying to connect your instance with net service name. So done with fixing 12154 as well as 3505. Thank you guys.